Imagine earning money completely by reading emails online. This strategy would enable you to earn money frequently. But here's the question: how much money can you receive in whole? If you read 10 emails, you can earn $50. If you read 20 emails, you can receive $150. If you read 30 emails, you can receive $250. And if you read 40 emails, you may receive $400 and additional. You'll make extra money if you read and open more emails. This method, and it's also accessible all over the earth. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I'll introduce you a method that will permit you to earn twice as much and put you ahead of your opponents. Before we go distant to this video, welcome to the Money Square, where we will introduce you the most up-to-date making money online concepts, guidance and actions. Don't neglect to subscribe to the channel and blow the like button and press the notification horn so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't skip to leave a comment below. Now let's get around to the video. The initial thing I suggest you to do is go to Vindale.com. This is a platform where you may receive money by taking surveys online. Regardless, in this video, we will not be performing any surveys. Rather, you will be reading emails online. As you can discover, Vindale has paid out over $700,000 to its users all across the planet, and this website pays you with valid money that is deposited immediately into your account. The best component is that you can be paid with PayPal, Bitcoin bank transfer or any other applicable payment method. I'd like you to explore the service where you can make money just by opening emails, since the organization will send you a promotional email or message, and you'll be paid if you open it and read it. Before we proceed, I'd want to pinpoint that the sign-up procedure on this website is a little troublesome, because it is only accessible to users from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom and Australia. If you're not from one of these nations, though, you should not be worried. I will demonstrate you how to sign up for free. Regardless of your nationality, I want you to stay concentrated so that you can get the greatly out of this video from me. This is because I don't want you to sign up right away when we enter at this page, since we require to proceed to another website before we can start up the sign-up procedure. So once again, I'll step you through the procedure point by point, so sit back and relax while you watch this video. When you sign into your account, you'll see 9 distinct categories, including cars and trucks, sports, politics and current events, home improvement, popular restaurants, new technology, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, and travel and leisure. Now let me offer you the initial step. You will get the most money if you read emails concerning shopping and fashion as nicely as health and beauty. So all you have to do is read emails from both of these categories. Right now you can receive $10, $1, $3.50 or much more, relying on which of these two categories you choose. So once again, the focus should be on buying for fashion, health and beauty, because the rest of the categories will be a destruction of time due to the law of payment. However, as you can see, there are a combination of other options available. Returning to the website, I'd like you to click on the link that reads sign up and get paid to read email right now. If you click on this link, you'll be put up with this page. So you may sign up for a free account definitely here, but just pay interest and give attention to what I'm explaining. You're one stage closer to getting paid. So complete the steps below to get turned on earning money right now. If you do it correctly, which is what I respect about this website, it will even deliver you a bonus breakout where you can make $25 over and over again if you do it appropriately. So fascinates to input your email address, first and last names. But before that, let's take some protection, because this is where the confidential strategy will be disclosed. The United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia are the only countries that are available. I'd prefer you to go to google.com and enter in a random list before we launch. If you click on search, you'll be able to find the random list which is the first website that comes in the Google results. If you click on the link, we're getting onto this page. You'll see a selection for addresses. You'll notice these random generators. After that, random addresses will reproduce a fake United States address with street, city, and state zip codes. However, some of these addresses may turn out to be true. Therefore, we'll use this one before we go any deeper. I'll provide you some moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you liked the video thus far, and if you found this video thrilling and informative. Please leave a comment below. We'd honor to listen what you have to say. It's now eternity to get back to task and earn some money. Returning to the video, if you hit on this, you'll get a list of random addresses that you can use, but before you do, browse down a little to see if there are any other alternatives. So if you click here, a drop-down menu will come out. Addresses in California, Canada, Florida, London, New York, Oklahoma, Texas, and the United Kingdom are accessible. This is an incredibly significant section. After you've selected that option, I'd like you to choose Canadian addresses. You'll see that there are a lot of numerous addresses packed here, all of which are reproduced at random. As you can notice, we can sign up using any of these addresses. Let's get this registration procedure underway. I'd like you to select a country now, which is Canada. Next, we'll go around to the random list generator and copy one of these addresses to your clipboard, so you may paste whatever you want on your sign-up form. The first step is to return to these pages and copy these numbers. You may anyway go back and watch it again or just replay it if you're having problems understanding it. If you're yet having problems signing up, you might try using a VPN service. After that, you'll fill in your gender and date of birth. I'd like you to select between Caucasian and white as your nationality. Now, attending that, you'll need to create and confirm your own password. That's all there is to. Make sure you approve to the website's terms and privacy policies. They should then move forward to the next page, where they will see the following to keep your membership. Please complete the form for the following concept. You must check all the boxes. Make certain you get all 4 boxes. You can make $1 right now if you watched the entire video and attended all of the instructions, and this $1 is complimentary when you sign up. Plus, you've just bought access to up to $50 in high-paying surveys. People who didn't follow my protocol here will only receive $1 to $5. But now that you've performed so and we're entirely signed up, we can earn up to $50 every survey. So if you're fulfilled signing up, you may do it right now, because you've officially unlocked other surveys that might award you up to $25. What I enjoy about this is that you may recommend a friend or other people and earn $5 each time. Yet our crucial principle at this video is on reading emails and making money online. Again, the sign-up process is a little tricky, but if you follow my recommendations, you can earn a lot of money. Ultimately, you may earn money online simply by viewing videos. Who doesn't enjoy that? I mean, isn't that cool? You can just play the video, just putting it in the background and let it run, so you can do other things while giving rise to money. But once similarly, I want to make sure that you concentrate on an area of shopping and fashion as good as health and beauty, since those are the sections that bring you the maximum money. Now, I'd like you to go to this page right now to see how people all over the world are earning from this strategy. As you can see, many people are appreciative for this website because this is a big employment to anyone looking for something other than reading emails as an additional income. Take surveys, refer others, and watch videos to earn money online. This strategy is easy to follow and can even be accomplished by now us. This is something I suggest if you're exploring ways to produce money online, and that's it. If you're a lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. Discover you in the successive video.